Want to know more about different careers? Career Track is traveling across beautiful British Columbia to show a day in the life of various professions. Heavy equipment operators, social workers, VR designers, and mechanics. After all, it's one thing to read about a job, but it's another to see it in action. So join us as we explore some of BC's in-demand jobs. You might be surprised by what you find.
Do you like being behind the wheel? Big fan of big trucks and heavy machinery? Our next guest has mastered them all. Let's meet a heavy equipment operator. Matt, it's great to meet you. This place looks awesome.
Nice to meet you too, Miriam. Let me show you around.
All right.
My name is Matt Hanlon. I'm the owner at Kays Road Contracting, and we're in Nelson, BC. My job today at Kays Contracting, it's evolved from being a one-person owner-operator to I manage a staff of 25 people. The day would start on site with a tailgate meeting to discuss safety, what the tasks that we're going to accomplish today on the site are, and make sure everybody on the team has a really good idea of what their role is, and then diving into the task after making sure all the planning is finished for the project for the day.
Matt, this looks like a complicated plan. Can you tell me what we're looking at?
This is what we call a plan view of a road that we're going to be constructing. Actually, right now there's a crew working on it. They use colors for clarity on what's on the drawing. All the blue elements are water. The red lines are related to the sanitary sewer system for toilet. A really important part of our day is to review which section of this we're going to be working on so we capture all the details.
Great, looks like a really useful tool.
It's essential. There's sort of two main ways people get into this field. One is sort of organically, like I did, just through working on sites, eventually getting some seat time. And there are some heavy equipment training programs that are offered throughout Canada. Some of our employees have gone through those programs as a way to get some experience and get some seat time.
I've seen something like this before, but I've never been this close. Can you walk me through what we're looking at?
Okay, well, we're looking at the bucket of a 25-ton hydraulic excavator. This bucket holds about 1.2 cubic meters of material, and it only takes 6 of these scoops to fill up a dump truck that you would see driving down the highway.
Wow, and can you walk me through some of the maintenance that you have to do?
Yeah, for sure. Every day on a machine like this, you want to go all the way around the machine and be looking for things as simple as like a crack on a weld that could cause the bucket to fail. And then all of these pins all have grease in them. So one of the things you would do would take a grease gun, pump some grease in there to make sure everything works really smoothly. And by doing that, you go through the whole machine to make sure everything is safe and tight and ready to work.
Fascinating, thank you.
The construction industry and the trades as a whole were never really presented as a viable option. I didn't really have a lot of people that were in the construction industry, and when I got into it, I kind of realized there's just a lot of good people doing a lot of really interesting projects, and the sky is kind of the limit. It's the exact opposite of a dead-end job is what I realized. The biggest challenge I overcome was not even knowing what the possibilities of the industry presented. There's just no limit on what we can do.
Matt, today was a blast. Thank you for having me.
Hey, it was a pleasure to have you. Thanks for coming.
Once again, I'm Miriam for Career Track, reminding you that this career could be yours.